Alright, we're going to do zone of control again. This is the heart of how it works. Hopefully I get it all right. In this scenario, you'll see that the Germans have Stalingrad, and they seem to have a connection of supply, but they really don't. This unit here exerts zone of control over these spaces around it. And even though the German and Hungarian unit also have a zone of control there, because it's an enemy unit, the German supply line is cut. Now, in order to change this situation, you can move a unit up into that zone of control, and once it does, it has to stop or attack. Now, if you're the Axis, you probably don't want to use your Hungarian unit to attack Russians over a river. So that's one way. You can move from your zone of control here to here, because you're in this Russian's zone of control and you're moving into this, no, I'm sorry, Soviet's zone of control. So that's okay. But if you're this guy, you could also move back from the zone of control out of it. But you could not move from this zone of control into the same zone of control. So you don't want to, you can't do this because you're moving, that's stopping you. So let's say you do this, you move him back and you want to pull this Russian unit out, or this German unit out. You'd pull him out and he would go from, actually no, you can't do that because you're in this zone of control, and then you can't get out because you're moving from here to there. So he's stuck. So the best way to get him out is probably to reinforce him, bring up this armor, and push him out. It's sorry I goofed up on that a little bit, because I have experienced this before, where you take something and you're stuck way out there and you get stuck pretty good and you are in big trouble. In this scenario though, you might, with the German unit, you would take him and you would probably have to pull him back to here, because you'd be leaving this guy's zone of control and moving into this guy's. Then you'd be in a better shape, plus you now have a continuous line of supply. And that would be the best solution for that. And I just wanted to clarify that, and I hope that fixes something up with zone of controls. I don't know. Anyway, that's it. I'll upload this one.